So I grew up in the state of Utah and I was an outreach student for USDB through my education. And I had a teacher for the blind and visually impaired teaching me those expanded core skills and learning Braille and large print and how to be an independent student and now an independent adult. And I loved it. So I went to college because I was so passionate about these skills that I was taught that I wanted to make sure that every other student that's blind and visually impaired receives the quality education that they deserve. So it's been really fun to see my students blossom throughout the year. And I think one of the most important things that I've learned is to educate our parents, get our parents on board and learn that, look, if I can do it, I can teach your children. Your kids can grow up and do whatever they want to do and help you along the way. There's just so many opportunities, and that's something I feel like USDB provided me as a child, teaching me the sport called goalball that's specific for students that's blind and visually impaired. I got to travel different states and I got to travel the world to play a sport and meet other students across the nation that are blind and visually impaired that are just like me, that just want to play sports. And I think that's where I got to use the expanded core in a real world setting. I was given the opportunity to be an outreach student to learn these skills so then I can be a young professional and teach other students and parents that, these skills are important and they're not just skills to learn, it's skills to provide you with a quality life and a quality education. And you get to do fun things. And it's not a sad thing to be blind. It's a beautiful thing.